Hello children, this is the third lecture of Political Lesson 1. In our previous class or previous lecture, we have discussed about some schemes started by the government as that midday meal scheme, and through this कुछ हद तक जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है उसको ख़त्म किया जा सकता है. We have also discussed that still the people, they are exploited and they face discrimination on the basis of their caste, religion, class or gender in the society. And we have discussed until the people will not change their attitude, the equality cannot be established in the society. So here is the last topic of your lesson, equality in other societies. India is not the only country in the world that is suffering from inequalities within the society. देश में या पूरे दुनिया में हम कहें, दुनिया में केवल भारत ही ऐसा नहीं है जहाँ पर people are suffering from the inequalities. There are some other countries out there. In all democracies of the world, there exist some of the other form of inequalities. For example, in the United States of America, though the America is a most developed country, still that there is the people of African origin have been subjected to unfair treatment. यानी जो अफ्रीका के जो लोग रहने वाले हैं और जो अभी अमेरिका में रहते हैं और रहते थे, उनके साथ में इस तरह का व्यवहार किया जाता है. इनइक्वलिटी, दे आर treated as unequal. African Americans are descendant of the slaves. Now, the African Americans are descendants of the slaves. तो जो अफ्रीकन से जो लोगों को लेकर आए थे एज अ स्लेव्स, now the African Americans are living in the America, they were also treated as slaves. They were treating as slaves. These people were subjected to discrimination and unequal treatment. इन लोगों के साथ में भेदभाव और असमानता का व्यवहार किया जाता था. However, things began to change. अब जो चीज़ें थी वह बदलना शुरू हो गई थी. When 1 December 1955, when Rosa Parks, an African American woman, started an agitation against, agitation here आंदोलन, उसने जब एक छोटा सा आंदोलन शुरू किया डिस्क्रिमिनेशन के अगेंस्ट. She started an agitation against the discriminatory policies towards the African American. कुछ policies थी जो African American peoples को follow करनी पड़ती थी according to the American government. One day while returning from work in a bus, she refused to give up her seat to a white man. Her denial was against the norms that time, according to which African Americans were to give their seat to white people when the bus was full. That time this policy was there. This policy was in the force कि अगर बस भरी हुई है और अगर कोई वाइट अमेरिकन खड़ा है तो, और जो साउथ और जो अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन जो लोग थे अगर बैठे हैं तो उनको अपनी जगह वाइट अमेरिकन्स को देनी होगी, खड़े होना पड़ेगा उनको और वो लोग बैठेंगे. तो शी रिफ्यूज्ड दैट, उसने वह खड़ी नहीं हुई और उसने उसके लिए मना कर दिया. While her refusal started the movement called the Civil Rights Movement. और उसने जो उसको अस्वीकार किया था उस पॉलिसी को, this started the Civil Rights Movement. This movement led to the introduction of the Civil Rights Act of 1964, which prohibited discrimination on ground of race, religion or national origin. And the movement which led by the Rosa Parks, It led to the introduction of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. Civil Rights Act means बच्चों नागरिकता अधिकार. As the people, those who were from Africa American people, they were not considered as the civilian of America. So, and they were facing the discrimination, and the people, they did not want this treatment, so they started the movement against these policies. And according to this, it was prohibited discrimination on the grounds of race, religion or national origin. और इस मूवमेंट के बाद में उनके साथ जो व्यवहार किया जाता था, असमानता का, भेदभाव का व्यवहार किया जाता था, उनकी प्रजाति और धर्म और उनका ओरिजिन को लेकर वह खत्म कर दिया गया, उसे निषेध कर दिया गया. Now it's your turn. You have to answer the following questions in short. Children, you have to write these answers in your SST notebook. Question A. What is midday meal scheme? Question B. Cite 2 examples of discriminatory practices against women. Question C. What type of inequality existed in the USA? Just now, as we have discussed. Question D. Mention any 2 benefits of the midday meal scheme. What are the 2 benefits? From the benefits, you have to mention only 2. Question E. When it can be possible to establish equality in the society in absolute terms. Bye.